Hi, fourth grade. It's Mrs. Westman. I'm so happy the beginning of the school year is coming up. Few things about this year is one, can you guess my class theme? I think you can. Lion King. Fourth grade pride. We'll have our own little fourth grade pride. It's really important that you get all of your school supplies and put your name on them. Classroom will look a little bit different this year. Won't be doing a lot of sharing, but we're still going to have so much fun. Few things we're going to go through the first few weeks is we're going to go over our website that I created for all of us to share and use. And we'll be using the Remind app so that way I can message your parents with any important information. And you're fourth grade, so you get a brand new email to use as well as Google Classroom. So I'm looking forward to showing you all those things, and it's going to be a great year. See you in a couple days.